What up, world? Peace, kings and queens. Yo, I want y'all to listen. Do you hear that? Nature. Isn't it beautiful? Do you know that when you sit outside and just listen to nature, that raises your vibration? That clears and cleanses anything that is weighing you down, any negative energy, anything within you that you're holding on to and building up, which is what causes stress. And stress is what causes diseases, dis-ease. So again, get into nature and find your peaceful place. It'll do wonders for your spirit. Create your own world. Think outside of the box. I'm just sitting here. I just ran through some fruit and just enjoying nature. Yo, get in tune with Mother Nature. She'll do wonders for you. Sending much love, light, and positive energy to all. Peace.